India's technology push.
India has announced ambitious plans to
India's manufacturing sector is going to embark on a major boost.
Startup ecosystem I run.
The world is today looking at India not only for critical technology but also for offering quick, economical and accurate tech solutions to the developing world to carve our own path in an increasingly competitive world of digitalization.
India is making waves as the new Silicon Valley, with companies desperate for skilled IT professionals. But chasing that high-paying IT job can be a quicksand. Rejections, stress, and feeling stuck. Sounds familiar? Believe me, I have been there. And I am here to help you break into India's tech boom with SAP-SD. Welcome to Naya-Bharat, where companies are booming. They are desperate for the skilled professionals like you. But now you must be having the question, why SAP-SD? SAP-SD is nothing but an ERP system. And what is the meaning of this ERP system? ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, is the backbone of any business, be it a small business or be it a Fortune 500 company. It's just like the pillars of a house. And SAP-SD is the star module. Just look at Naukri.com. It has thousands of job openings for SAP-SD, which is way more than other modules compared to FICO, MM, PP or any other modules. Now, this is your chance to get a high-paying IT job. Hi, my name is Jyotirmay Dash and I have spent 11 years mastering SAP-SD. From projects to support, I have done it all. But in year 2013, I was just like you, excited but lost, struggling to get into IT. I learned that experience doesn't count, but skills do. Like it takes times for a child to learn how to work, in a same manner, you also need time to learn the language of a software. During my learning, the gaps that I faced, believe me, I have packed all of those lessons into my SAP-SD course on SAP Talks. Your shortcut to a dream IT job. Think free YouTube videos or any free course are enough to get you into the IT job? Think again. They are messy, they are incomplete, and will leave you in the gaps where no one is there to guide you, and leave you stuck where no one is there to help you out. It's like learning to drive without an instructor. You would crash, right? Remember, cheap learning is not a good learning. You cannot learn SAP-SD or any other softwares just by watching some random videos. What you need is a proper structure and a teacher to hold your hands, answering to your questions when they pop up. At SAP Talks, we teach you the techniques to learn SAP-SD, guiding you every step so that you not only learn it, but you master it with confidence. Our SAP-SD course at SAP Talks is your key to success. Learn from the real experts like me. Join our weekly Q&A session to clear all your doubts. Watch self-paced videos anywhere, anytime, as per your wish. Practice real business scenarios and work on real projects to build the skills that employers want. Plus, we support you even after the course. We don't just teach, we guide you towards your dream IT job. With quizzes, notes, and hands-on practice, you are ready to shine. Join our SAP-SD course at SAP Talks, and we'll start this journey together. Weekly check-ins, private chats, and constant support to make you succeed. Now, let me tell you some facts. If you're expecting to learn any software and if you want to try to get into IT overnight, that is not going to happen. And this is the reality. No one can teach you any high-paying IT job within just 30 days because you need time to digest the content. Stick with me and you will see the rewards. This is your path to a thriving IT career in the new India. Ready to jump into SAP SD? Hit this subscribe button and join our community. Here is a quick challenge. Comment below what is the biggest hurdle stopping you from your IT dream. No skills, no guidance or no time. Let's solve it together. Visit SAP Talks to start today and I'll see you in the next video.